When mood boards stall and floor plans feel abstract, ReimagineHome.ai bridges the gap. It's turning inspiration into photoreal design makeovers. It's not just about ideas anymore. It's about seeing them come alive in your own room, with every detail perfectly rendered. We all collect inspiration, Pinterest saves, Instagram posts, collage boards, but they rarely feel personal. They don't show your windows, your lighting, or your proportions. They lack the personal touch. Traditional 3D tools take hours, demanding extensive technical skills and time. Reference images leave you guessing, unable to truly visualize the outcome in your unique space. You know what you like, but not how it looks in your space, leading to frustration. That's inspiration fatigue. Too many ideas, not enough certainty to move forward. ReimagineHome.ai transforms that uncertainty into confidence, making design accessible. Upload one photo or describe your vision. Japandi with warm brass, for example. Or perhaps soft modern with oak and linen to capture your desired aesthetic. Watch your real room become a styled concept in seconds, a true visual marvel. The AI reads light, ceiling height, and floor tone to generate photoreal makeovers. These makeovers perfectly fit your architecture, respecting the unique character of your space. Compare multiple styles side by side, effortlessly visualizing different possibilities. Swap palettes, adjusting colors and textures with ease to find your perfect match. Adjust furniture layouts, experimenting with arrangements until it feels just right. Visualize how each change feels in your daylight, ensuring harmony with natural light. This isn't a simulation, it's your room, reimagined with stunning realism. Imagine a renter testing Japandi and mid-century palettes, exploring diverse aesthetics. Or a homeowner exploring wall openings and kitchen islands, planning major renovations. All before spending $1, saving time and costly mistakes. ReimagineHome.ai makes experimentation fast, credible, and incredibly fun. It's design play that leads to conviction, empowering you to make confident choices. Compared to traditional 3D design tools, AI visualization like ReimagineHome.ai offers unparalleled efficiency. It can reduce design turnaround time by up to 60%, a significant leap in productivity. The platform combines speed with realism, delivering stunning results in moments. Personalizing each render to your lighting, layout, and decor preferences is key. It's not just generating style, it's teaching you how your home responds to design choices. From inspiration to transformation, ReimagineHome.ai makes imagination visible and tangible. Upload your room, describe your vision, and see your next design come to life instantly. Explore what your space could be, beautifully, confidently, and photorealistically. Visit www.reimaginehome.ai to start today. Reimagine your space. Reimagine home.